Welcome to the Base Face Network.
Okay, class, regarding to our topic today, there are certain animals that are prohibited to us to touch them.
Sir, I have a question. What's wrong with touching the puppies? They are cute, right?
That's a good question. First of all, we as a Muslim, we are prohibited to touch a dog, even if it is a puppy. But in the meantime, we are allowed to touch them in other circumstances, such as to hug them if they are in trouble. And we have to do some kindness to them if they are in trouble.
Oh, it reminds me that there are hadiths that narrated by Abu Hurairah reported. A prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, said, a prostitute had once been forgiven. She passed by a dog panting nearby. This had nearly killed him, so she took off her sock, tied it to her veil, drew up some water, and Allah forgave her for that.
Sir, I have a question to ask. Why can't Muslims have dogs as pets?
Sir, I can answer that. The big one, why as a Muslim can have a dog as pet? Because Allah ordered us not to have a dog as a pet. Secondly, there are scientific evidence that within dog there are several diseases can harm us human being. Among that disease carried by the dog are ringworm, roundworm, and rabies virus.
Very good, Aziz. So I have a question for you all. Why do these religious people need to make a fuss over the touching dogs event? Can somebody answer me?
Me, sir. Because dog considered as impure or unclean animals. For Hindus, the consider dog to be sadic animals, even worship them. So personal belief and culture tradition is important. So we must respect and understand different belief among religion. Like Islam, the prohibit the Muslim to touch dog, but for different religion the can touch.
Sir, can I ask one question? If pigs are haram, then why did Allah create them in the first place? Sir, I want to answer that question. The wisdom of the creation of pig is to clean the earth from waste and carrion, not to be food for humans. It also has a great role in cleaning and disinfecting the environment. It is a filthy, gunky, and lazy animal, and it is farms animal, carrion, and garbage, as well as eating its excrement and the excrement of other animals. And it is one of the reasons for it playing a major role in causing many diseases to humans. It also be the reason why Muslims do not eat pigs.
Oh, I see. I also used to hear dalil about why pig cannot be eaten. In Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 173, Innama harama alaykumul maytata wad dama wa lahmal khinzir, mean indeed Allah only forbid you to eat carrion, blood, and pork.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, thank you for answering that.
My pleasure.
That's great, Ruzanna. So this time we are so clear about why dogs and pig are haram to touch. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.